Unboxing idioms. Exploring, opening a can of worms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, opening a can of worms. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, opening a can of worms, is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. When someone says they are opening a can of worms, they are not talking about actual worms in a can. Instead, this phrase is used metaphorically to describe a situation where someone is starting a task or conversation that is much more complex, troublesome, or problematic than initially expected. It's like when you open a can that you think only has a few worms, but then you find out it's full of them, creating a messy, hard-to-handle situation. The origin of opening a can of worms is quite interesting. This idiom is believed to have originated from the world of fishing. Fishermen used cans to carry worms for fishing bait. Once opened, these cans would reveal more worms than anticipated, often wriggling out and causing a bit of chaos. This imagery perfectly captures the essence of the phrase, dealing with a situation that becomes unexpectedly complex. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting. Discussing the budget now might open a can of worms that we're not prepared to deal with today. 2. In personal life. I didn't want to ask about her previous job because it could open a can of worms about why she left. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to describe starting a conversation or process that could lead to complications or problems. There are other idioms and phrases that convey similar meanings. For example, Pandora's box, originating from Greek mythology. This refers to a source of endless complications or trouble arising from a single, simple miscalculation. Stirring the hornet's nest. This means to do or say something that causes a lot of people to be angry or upset. Understanding these similar idioms can help broaden your understanding of English expressions. So, that's all about opening a can of worms. We hope this video has helped clarify this interesting idiom for you. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of learning English, adding color to the language. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you soon.